So here's a quick review. If you've only got one thing hooked to the central atom, there's only one possible shape. It's got to be a line. If you got two things hooked to the central atom, and that's all, no electron pairs, nothing else, got to be a line. If you got three things hooked to the central atom, nothing else, no electron pairs, it's going to be a flat plane. So this one's a line or linear. This one's linear. All right, this one's called trigonal planar. It's flat. It's in the plane. Am I on screen the whole way? Yeah, good. Okay, now three possibilities with four things around the central atom. All right, I could have all four things be atoms. If all four things are atoms, then we get that tetrahedral looking thing. Sorry, should have had this ready. All right, so if there's all four things, it's tetrahedron. Now, two other possibilities. So one is we've got two things in the plane of the board, one sticking out at you, and one back here behind, called a tetrahedral. Tetra for hedral is actually sides. So what it's actually referring to is it's referring to the four sides that this thing makes. So if you can kind of picture this having a side here and a side here and a side and a side, then it's a four-sided figure. Okay, now two possibilities. One, if one of these is an electron pair, it's not actually four atoms, it's only three atoms hooked to it. Then that's a trigonal pyramid. It looks like what we said for ammonia a little while ago. And if it's two unbonded pair, like that, then we've got something as simple as water, which is bent. Okay, so you'll notice if you look at the electron pairs, it looks like it's still on the tetrahedral. But what's really going on is if we just look at the water, the oxygen and the hydrogens, it's bent. Okay, so the only thing you have is one thing, two thing, three thing, four thing. All right, I feel like Dr. Seuss. If it's four things and one of them's an electron pair, it's a trigonal pyramid. If there's four things and two of them are electron pair, it's bent. Okay, so this one is a trigonal pyramid, and this one is bent. All right, now just wanted to get that out there so you can think about it a little bit. Hopefully that helps. I'm not going to run over time. My ask for the weekend is that you work on this geometry lab, turn it in on time, and start on the shapes and polarity lab so you guys have something to discuss when you come in on Tuesday. All right. If you find you need some extra help, feel free to touch base with me. I'm here for support all the time. Before anybody closes out, let me close out the recording.